have any cutters. I have a rake. I have a what's that plow thing you garden with? It's a small one though. What do you want? A rake?
Do I have an edge to it?
I don't know, I'll show it to you. We're back here to clean this stuff up. It's a mess. Cool. It stinks in there. There was frozen White Castle and a pizza in the freezer that was left in there, so of course it thawed out. Alright. I'll be right back. Nice.
I'm getting my salad.
I never got a chance to finish up when we were at the house, but it was a whole bunch of work, and now we are here because we only ate once today. We're starving, so we're coming to get some pizza. Thank you. So yeah.
Well, that's still the same.
Yep, headed back to Amber's because I still have power, of course. Yeah. So yeah. And some food. Oh, they want to say hello?
Hello.
Bella? Say hello.
Hello.
Sammy?
Hello.
Amber? Amber? Hello. Pam on the phone? Hello. Yep, we're hungry. We're gonna eat. I got taco pizza. Oh, look at Sammy over there eating a whole plate of mac and cheese. Is it good? It's good? Sure it's good? She got salad. Amber ran out of food, so she went to get more, and so did Damien. You're almost done. Almost. Allie's on her second plate, and I had a plate here, and I'm starting on this. So we decided to stop at Walmart Market before we go back to Amber's place, and guess what pulls up right when we do? They're taking a stretcher in.